Hello, and welcome to a video on how to set up a time clock device for your school. A few things first. Cosmo Classroom does not require you to have a special kind of device in order to use our time clock. The other thing is that this is kind of a multi-step process. And we will be starting with setting up a pin for your device itself. So as you can see here, we are just in the admin login at the home screen here. And we're going to start by heading down to Administration and then Time Clock. Finally, you can head over to Device Pin Management. And here you'll see a little blurb on how to set up a time clock device from this side, but I'll be showing you myself here. We're going to start by generating a pin. And it's going to ask you what device is this for. Now, this would be best for you to name a device that you can recognize. So here, for example, we can do front desk time clock, or maybe even something like student time clock iPad, which I actually like, so I will continue with this one here. Now, as you can see, it has generated its name underneath, and along with a pin for us to use, and this will be important for later. For now, let's also get on to the second step. We're going to head back to the home page by using the Cosmo Classroom up top. And now we're going to get a link for your device to use and be set up with. So we're going to start by heading back to Administration, scrolling down to the bottom. Under Resources, you'll find URLs. Here you'll find a handful of URLs specific for your school, but we're only going to worry about the time clock URL. What I suggest doing is copying this link and emailing it to yourself, and then opening up that email on the device you wish to link. I just have it set up on my computer here on a different page. You'll see the name of your school. This should be the first thing you see when you open up that link on your device. Now, I've just forgotten the code, the pin for our time clock, so I'll just head back into Administration, Time Clock, Device Pin, and there it is still, ready and waiting. So 8789, we'll punch that in here real quick. And now the device is fully set up as a time clock. This is where the camera view would be seen, this black square here, and it works just like any other time clock would. Able to punch in, punch out for your students or your employees. And let's see here, if we head back over to the time clock device pin page, you can see that the pin has now been set as active so that you can't use it anymore to set up a different device. And you can also choose to delete and redo it if you want to. And that's how you set up a time clock for your school in Cosmo Classroom.